Hello everyone, this is the Case Breakers. Tonight we're doing the random for a one-box break of 2012 Topps Valor football. All names have been entered into random.org. Going to randomize it 6 times. And here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. There we go, guys. Good luck, everyone. Guys, don't forget, check us out, www.thecasebreakers.com. Follow us on Twitter at thecasebreakers. Well, Casey, I've been called a lot worse. I'd like to welcome 2 first-timers to the site tonight, Dave D. and Jared H. Thanks for joining us, guys. Hope to see you again. Good luck, everyone. Here are your teams. Arizona Cardinals, Clifton W. Atlanta Falcons, Clifton W. Baltimore Ravens, Brent M. Buffalo Bills, Clifton W. Carolina Panthers, Brent M. Chicago Bears, Dave D. Cincinnati Bengals, Jared H. Cleveland Browns, Justin M. Dallas Cowboys, Cole D. Denver Broncos, Dave D. Detroit Lions, Clifton W. Green Bay Packers, Brent M. Houston Texans, Dave D. Indianapolis Colts, Jared H. Jacksonville Jaguars, Justin M. Kansas City Chiefs, Justin M. Miami Dolphins, Justin M. Minnesota Vikings, KCC. New England Patriots, Dave D. New Orleans Saints, Dave D. New York Giants, KCC. New York Jets, Jared H. Oakland Raiders, Dave D. Philadelphia Eagles, Justin M. Pittsburgh Steelers, Dave D. San Diego Chargers, KCC. San Francisco 49ers, Brent M. Seattle Seahawks, Dave D. St. Louis Rams, Jared H. Tampa Bay Buccaneers, Cole D. Tennessee Titans, KCC. And Washington Redskins, KCC. There you have it, everyone. I'm going to give you guys a few minutes to trade, and then we'll get with the break.